Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spring design for you today. And this is the first plate that I used. It's L071. This is a great plate. And the second plate that I used is Bundle Monster S206. This is a cute little plate too. You can do a lot with it. And here is the completed design for you today. I think it came out super cute. Nice spring birds. Everything's starting to bloom. The birds are coming back. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.